What is good, bro? I haven't made a video in like so fucking long. Bro, I haven't traded in a minute. Um Today, obviously by the fucking thumbnail, I lost. I lost today, which sucks. Um we can go over a few trades that I could have taken that would have played. I traded gold at London session yesterday. Um yeah, this was the trade I took on gold. We are on a we're on a 1 hour high over on this left side. I saw a rejection and a retest on the 1 hour. Rejected and then retested. Um, well, I saw a rejection and then not a retest. Saw a rejection and then an order block. And then I was like, okay, we're gonna have to confirm that this is an order block, and I don't want to wait until it comes all the way down here. So I did like a mini entry. There was a fair value gap right here. It came into it, filled, and then closed below. Entered. I got fucking fried because it wanted to come and retest. Um, what I don't really know what I could have done unless I put the stop loss all the way up here. Like, you know what I mean? It's just an unlucky loss. We can look at it on Trade Locker. Gold. Unlucky loss. Hit my take profit after I got hit. Um, just unfortunate, right? There's nothing really can do. But the good thing about this, if we go on closed positions, I only lost $9. So I did not risk 20. And this is the reason why. I got lucky. GPP CAD. I was looking at this for a short, which obviously played. But look at this bitch, bro. We are on daily highs. Daily fucking highs. I'm gonna trade this shit again. Like, if this shit looks nice, like even middle of the day, like I'm trying to catch anything from this. If this rejects and comes all the way down here, amazing trade. Um, and it looks like obviously it got met in rejection. So hopefully we can come and retest this level, and then later today I can trade another short down to these rejection lows. But yeah, this we can look at how this was playing. We broke structure up here, order block. We broke structure to the upside, so kind of consolidation. So in a consolidation phase, and you know what an order block is. It's like a price point where orders got filled to go to the downside, and a consolidation phase is also a price point where like orders got filled. So an order block is in here, but we wanted to come down, uh, break break through this liquidity sweep to break structure to the upside, because it liquidity sweep, then broke structure. I was about to enter right here because it broke structure to the downside and then came back up into the order block, and then was about to close below this, but I didn't play. Um, Used as a liquidity sweep, and then we went down, and then we came down, broke this liquidity sweep level, came all the way back up, retested the level, and it did not, or it worked out obviously. So obviously I would have entered on the close below here. Kind of a terrible entry, to be honest. Um, Targeting this low liquidity low as my first, which would be a 1.6, nothing too crazy. And then we interacted with a kind of like just a big ass fair value gap, you know what I mean? No orders got filled, no red candles, you know what I mean? No other orders got filled except the green ones. So it obviously reacted and came back to retest. So maybe I can get another entry, like I said, later today. But also GBP, GBP, JPY. We had a lot of entries today. We had a lot. Um, this we can go in the 1 hour. We had a fat move up, and then while I was looking at it, I was like, okay, it's consolidation. That means it's rejecting higher, so there is a probability that it will come down to take out these low liquidity lows piled up. For example, this is a low liquidity low, this is a low liquidity low, and we did take out both of them. So it will probably maybe come and take out this 1 hour order block and then move to the upside, or just move to the upside right now. And it's still ringing on my tablet. Good boy. But yeah. So this is another trade we took. We had this break of rejection right here. We had a wick into this order block, and then a close below the rejection. Not a good risk to reward ratio, but it did hit RTP. I mean, and then the next one, this one's kind of like, I don't know why, but the one I fucking enter is dicking me. Like, this shit diddied me, bro. The one I enter, bro. But USD CAD, this one didn't play. I wanted to see, since we were bearish, we had a bearish down candle rejection. I thought this low was gonna get retested. It's like a fucking magnet, but it didn't. We were when I was looking at it, we were down here at like 1 a.m. I was looking at like 1 or 12 a.m. and then I marked out some highs that it could come and meet and then reject to come and take out this, which it didn't. It come and took them out, but it didn't come back and retest this low. So, but this is the most insane one. The next one, we have another entry on Euro USD, and it is the best one I could have taken, but I didn't, obviously. Insane trade. Okay. The only reason I put this all the way down here below this bullshit, was because we didn't have any 1 hour highs we were reacting on. This did not react with any 1 hour high. This did not react with any 1 hour high. The latest was this one, and the one we haven't taken out was this one. So we're like in the middle. I saw the consolidation phase and the double rejection on the 1 hour, but that wasn't, telltale sign, and I had this one that was at a daily high, so I wasn't really worried about this market. But yeah, we had an amazing entry on this shit. We broke structure right here, and we came up to the order block, closed below with this small ass candle. We took out our first take profit would be this rejection, which obviously was a good first TP, because look at the rejection that was off of it. This could have took me out, but we continued lower, and this would be our second take profit. This triple built up low on the 5-minute, and then probably this would be our third, all the way down here. But Jesus Christ, gang, like, fuck, I missed this, bro. Dead ass. I could have got a 5 to 9. That just sucks, bro. But that would have taken about 7 hours. And I was already fucking knocked out. Knocked out, bro. But yeah, this sucks. This is what happens. This is what's always gonna happen when we're trading. This we see a very huge rejection to the to the upside, like right here. So I was planning on it coming and meeting it, and then having a very bullish reaction on this low. We did not come and meet it, but we did see moves up. These last two markets I didn't like at all, because it was kind of just fucking ripping. Because after this, I didn't take this yesterday because there was no retracement. But after this liquidity sweep, we went to the upside and we just ripped. Same as this one too. We just fucking ripped past these highs. But we obviously see a nice short here, which, what time? So yeah, Tuesday, January 6th. What? Okay, I'm tripping. This was yesterday, or today, London session. So we see a really nice short here, which I wish I was looking at it, but hey, we're just not having the best luck right now, I cannot lie. This is the rejection. Also, that is the...
What's up, Slick? How you doing?
Good, gang. But that is the breaker structure and the rejection phase, so that would be also the order block. We broke structure with oh shit, with this red candle right here. So we see that break, and then a move back into the order block, and then a close below the rejection. This is the rejection, it wicked below, so you would place a short right there, and boom. First TP would have got taken out. There's not really a second take profit. Like, it's just a fucking rip. But we would have gotten a beautiful 6.23 risk to reward. But the good thing, we want to look at the bright side. We risked only $10 on this trade. Gold was on this 1 hour high. This was on a daily high. This was on no high. This was dog shit. This was on no high. This was dog shit. This was at no high. Like, I'm trading how I'm supposed to be, but I'm just getting unlucky that the ones that I am trading are not playing how I want them to, which is gonna happen. It's just gonna happen. These are all on these highs. We're obviously seeing a reaction, but it's just not the one I need, you know. But yeah, that's how the day went. I've been rambling on for 14 minutes. Thank y'all for staying, bro. If any of y'all stayed, WMS. But that is what happened today, London session, or yesterday, depending on my sleep schedule. But love y'all, man. Hopefully y'all watch the next video. Make sure to like and sub if y'all enjoy my trades.